In this video, we are going to be working through a story problem that involves making a budget. I can solve real-world story problems using money. A budget means keeping track of money that you have and money that you spend. Some of you may remember stopping by Casey's Corner on our class trip to Disney World. In this problem, we're going to help Jackson buy lunch. In order to solve this, we are going to use addition and subtraction. So let's take a look. Here we have the menu at Casey's Corner. And the problem says Jackson has $40 to spend on lunch for him and his sister. Help Jackson figure out what he could choose for them to eat and how much money he would have left over. So he has $40. We're going to start with figuring out what he could buy for lunch. Now for the video, I've already filled out this chart, but we're going to just choose what we eat, write the items, how many bought, and how much each thing cost. Now I've filled this out already. I chose a foot-long hot dog meal, a bottle of water, a regular chili cheese hot dog for his sister with an apple juice. I'm going to get one of each, and these are the prices of each of these items. I found this information using the menu here. So the question says, how much did Jackson spend? Well, in order to figure that out, we're going to have to write an equation to represent each of these things bought. Now I know when we're adding or when we're putting all of these together, adding them up, it's going to be addition. We're going to figure out how much in all did he spend. So I'm going to add 11 plus 7 plus 7 more for the chili cheese hot dog and 6 for the apple juice. And solve this equation to find out how much Jackson spent. Now to make this easier on myself, I'm just going to do two numbers at a time. So this is 11 plus 7, and I can easily add that either in my head mentally, I remember from my fast facts, or by adding 110 and 1 plus 7 more ones. And I know that this will give me 18. Now that this is 18, I have 18 here plus 7 plus 6. Now again, I'm going to go ahead and put 7 and 6 together because I know from mental math that 6 plus 6 is 12 and 1 more is 7. 1 more is 13, sorry. So 18 plus 13 is my new equation. Again, I got that from adding 11 and 7 and then adding 7 plus 6. So 18 plus 13 is my new equation. I'm going to use my base 10 blocks for this. I have 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. And then over here I have 110 and 3 ones. My first step is to add the ones. So I have 8, 9, 10, 11. I know that with 11 ones I can regroup 10 of them. And that will give me one more 10. This leaving me with 1, 2, 3 tens and 1 1. So Jackson has spent a total of $31 on his meals for his sister and himself. Now the next question asks me, how much does he have left over? Well, we have to remember how much we had to start with. At the top it says Jackson had $40. So he had $40 to start with. He spent how much? 31. How much does he have left over? Again, we're going to use our regrouping skills. We know that we have 4 tens and we need to take away 1 1 and 3 tens. I don't have any ones to take away here, so I'm going to use one of these tens. I'm going to regroup it, cross that out just like we do, and switch this over to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. Now I can easily take away 1 and 3 tens. And the money that I have left over is 9 ones. So Jackson has $9 left at the end of his trip.